Life is busy. It's easy to feel stressed. Take a breath. Find your inner peace. Mindfulness is the answer. It's about being present, noticing your breath, feeling your feelings deeply. When you're mindful, you're aware. You're not lost in thoughts. You're not overwhelmed. Mindfulness is a journey. It takes practice, but it's worth it. Find your peace. Mindfulness brings calm. It reduces stress. You learn to observe, not judge. When you're mindful, you're kind. To yourself, to others. This brings peace. Mindfulness improves focus. You can concentrate better. You're more productive. It's good for your health. Mindfulness reduces anxiety. It improves sleep quality. You feel better. Mindfulness is simple. Start with your breath. Notice each inhale. Notice each exhale. Feel the air entering your lungs and then leaving. Pay attention to your senses. What do you see around you? What do you hear in the background? What do you feel on your skin? Practice gratitude. Be thankful for the good things in your life, big and small. This brings joy and contentment. Meditate daily, even for a few minutes. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Focus on your breath. Let go of distractions. Allow yourself to be present in the moment. This practice can transform your day, bringing peace and clarity. Embrace mindfulness and let it enrich your life. Section 4. A journey of transformation. I met a woman who was overwhelmed by the pressures of daily life. She was constantly stressed and filled with anxiety. One day, she decided to try meditating. Slowly but surely, her life began to change. She found a sense of peace she had never known before. She became calmer, more centered, and ultimately, much happier. Mindfulness transformed her entire existence. This is the incredible power of mindfulness. It has the potential to change your life too. It's a journey worth embarking on. Take the first step today. Start practicing mindfulness. You deserve to experience peace. You deserve to find true happiness. Begin your journey of transformation now. Section 5. Embrace the present moment. The present moment is a gift. Don't waste it. Be present. Be mindful. Let go of the past. It's gone. Don't worry about the future. It's not here yet. Focus on now. This breath. This moment. This is where peace is found. Start your mindfulness journey. Find your inner peace. You can do it. Embracing the present moment means fully immersing yourself in the here and now. It's about appreciating the small things, like the warmth of the sun on your skin or the sound of birds singing. When you let go of past regrets and future anxieties, you create space for joy and tranquility. Remember, life is a series of moments. Make each one count. Practice mindfulness daily. It's a journey worth taking.